Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Are you looking for a simple way to manage all your invoices in Notion while keeping things organized and professional? In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to use the free Invoice Manager template inside Notion, and also show you how to integrate it with Pop Invoice to really streamline your workflow. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up a clean, efficient invoice system that's easy to personalize and update, so you'll have more time to focus on your actual business. All right, let's jump right in. We're going to make this process as quick and painless as possible, so you can start managing your invoices without any unnecessary headaches. First things first, let's get the Invoice Manager template set up in Notion. Using a template is a fantastic way to save yourself a lot of time because it gives you a professional layout to start with, and you don't have to build everything from scratch. So at the top left corner of Notion, you'll see a little drop-down button. Go ahead and click on that. This opens up some more options for your workspace. Now, select Templates from the list. Templates in Notion are pre-built pages that cover all sorts of tasks, from content planning to client management, but today we're going to be searching specifically for Invoice Manager. And here's a quick tip. When you're searching templates, go ahead and type in Invoice Manager and see what pops up. There are a few different versions, so look for the one that best fits your style or the features you need. Maybe you want something minimal, or perhaps you need extra fields for things like payment terms or client details. Just take your time browsing and pick the template that really clicks for you. Once you've settled on a template, hit Add. Notion will automatically create a new page in your workspace with all the structure already in place. Things like columns for invoice numbers, client names, amounts, and due dates. It's all laid out in a way that looks tidy and professional, so you're already miles ahead of cobbling together your own table from scratch. Now comes the fun part, customizing. This is really what makes Notion stand out. You'll notice you can start entering your credentials right away, so go ahead and fill in your business name, email, and any other essentials. If you want to personalize it further, you can add your company logo, or maybe change the colors to match your branding. Don't worry if you're not sure about all the details just yet. You can always come back and update things later. Think of this like moving into a new apartment. You start with the basics, and then you make the space feel like your own as you settle in. If you work with different types of clients or projects, you can also tweak the creative fields. Maybe add sections for project notes or attach sample files. Notion makes it easy to drag and drop content, and you can even embed links if you want to provide more context to your invoices. This customization step really helps make your invoice management feel like an extension of your actual business process, rather than just a generic spreadsheet. And there you have it. The core setup is complete. If you want to take things to the next level, you can directly connect this Invoice Manager to Pop Invoice for even smoother tracking and integrations, but that's a topic for another day. Thanks so much for following along. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps out the channel. If you have any questions or want to see a deep dive on integrating with Pop Invoice, just drop a comment below. Make sure to subscribe for more practical Notion tips and tools to help you run your business smarter, not harder. See you in the next one.